Hello everyone, welcome to this next video on previous year's questions from AbstractAlgebra. In this video, we shall see a question from June 2011 consisting of 4.75 marks. The question says, if px, which is a polynomial which is an ideal generated by this polynomial, this is the notation, and this polynomial is taken from this polynomial ring of rationals. Then they are saying if fx and gx are two polynomials, then the addition of the ideal generated by fx and gx is which among these four? So out of these four, which is what is the correct option? So let us get started. Here they are asking about the ideal generated by fx plus the ideal generated by g of x, where fx and gx are two polynomials given like this over here, right? So obviously this could be written as some element which is in fx and some other element which is in gx. So what kind of elements are there in this ideal? In this ideal we have elements of this form: fx multiplied by some other polynomial ax, where this ax is any polynomial in the polynomial ring, right? Similarly, an element in this generated by this this polynomial gx would be of the form gx multiplied by bx, where what is this b? This bx is some polynomial in qx, right? So here we have something like this: fx into ax plus gx into bx, where both this ax and bx, they are from qx, right? So this is the definition of this thing that we are looking for, right? So now there's the result. It says that if now this thing, you can regard this as some number, some polynomial, say dx, right? So we have a result that if d is the GCD of any two a and b, then there exist x and y belonging to z such that ax plus by, that is equal to d. So now we have something like this: fx into ax plus gx into bx. So this is something of this kind, d of x. Thus this d of x is what it is the GCD of these two polynomials. So here we would take the GCD of this and this. So basically, this thing, the ideal generated by fx plus the ideal generated by gx, that is equivalent to saying the GCD of two polynomials. One is fx and another is g of x, because here ax and bx, they act as x and y as in polynomials, right? So this is the thing. So we are to find the GCD of these two polynomials. So what is f of x? It is given to be x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So it is given to be x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, and gx is what? It is given to be x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. So we can factorize this thing, right? So in the first polynomial, from the first two factors, we can take x square common, so it would be x plus 1, and then we can write it like this, right? And from the second polynomial, again we can take x square common, so we will be left with these terms. Alright, so the first polynomial, it factors out in this form, whereas the second polynomial factors out in this form. So GCD, the greatest common divisor of these two, the common factors, they are this and this, x square plus 1 and x square plus 1. So GCD comes out to be only x square plus 1. So this is our answer. So let us have a look at our options. So accordingly, option C is the correct option. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching.